I have an early morning appointment. Guess where it is? You see it now. Village life. Good morning. Wait them. I'm here. Wait them. Where is Marco? I'm ready. Aluchi. Good morning. Chake. Auntie, good morning. I want Nathania. I'm one day self, yeah. One name, I can not. Get good me. I hold her. Inquiry, what the chabe? It's another disappointment. G-boy, how are you? Good morning. What can you come on? Hey, if we're going to go G-boy, because ma SP school, huh? Hey, Bianyamaka. SP school, hey, so you are Marco one. Oh, wow, ma'am. First, corner. Nyamaka. Because on the Marco can make SP. Good boy. Hey, Chiboy, but Chiboy, they fall Lucia. You manage no wine, Baho Perumpe. Hey, Chiboy, it had a quite here, Barumegumba. Chiboy, you left a wine, but a Bacario wine said. It might not be a Chiboy. Siki Hana Boruma, Chiboy. Oh, why you go? Okay, I'm here so that we can pluck this German mango. Hey! So Marco is going to climb the mango now and be plucking. Okay, yeah, 10 to now. Ihe na ido dinia. Hey! He's rubbing pomade. Anti-soldier ant pomade. Cake is a Monday challenge. Because sometimes look. Okay. You shake or that?
Then when keep piraka.
Okay, I'm kaka yulu no. Okay. Manon daka yulu. Mananda did not know never akara yulu or shaking. Hada. Now wow. Auntie. Ila adika abo malang adagwa ya agaladi muta wokwa mugonwa. Hey, this is a grandma. This woman that is shining here is a grandma. Hey. Oh, chelo. So na aka no okwu ki ye ta ho kwan. Oh. So nwo nke esi na azu dakwasa gị na azu. Onye ka na-ekwu ihe he tentu na ahụ ka na-ekwu. I'm ajụ ka mma ka o si walk. Don't mind him, man. Ko gesi na rie no si na man da se na. Okay, okay, obu akpa nto. As insurance. Can you see how he's climbing the tree like a cat? Piam, he's up there already. So what they were saying is that they're going to shake it, because I was asking him how he knows the ones that are ripe, because they all look the same to me. And he says when he gets up there, he will shake a branch and the ripe ones will fall off. And then the ones that his hands can reach, you see, he's shaking already. And the ones that his hands can reach, he will touch them. If they are soft, it means they are ripe. Because this mango, the German mango, we call it German mango, I don't know the correct name for it. When it ripens, it's still green, but it's yellow inside. So you can't tell by just looking at it. So he will touch it, the ones that he can reach, he will touch them. If they're soft, it means that, you see, this one, it has fallen. Aluchi, you go to Gole? In a charge mission, ke bagole. Okay. Ke hi chole go. Mascom, Ke school it bien. Okay. Tien kwoko. Okay, na kwa jam poli tu. Hey, look at all of them. Mangoes falling down. Woo. Ocha go. Imana iri hozi ya mbosi nkwo gara aga, so all double. See? No, EJ. EJ. Thank you. I'm back. This is my bounty. You see? Hey! They gave me almost all the mangoes. So. I was asking them, which one are you going to eat now? They say, that they eat it every day. That I should take. That I'm a special auntie. You want to go? You want to go? Look at. So, it's just to wash it, put it in the fridge, and we'll be eating it small. Hello. Ibu mi gweli na oneself. Okay. There's always a misnomer with this. This is the fruit, the red one. That's where red palm oil comes from. And then you have the nut in there. That's where the palm kernel oil comes from. There's a difference between palm kernel oil and red palm oil. We don't eat palm kernel oil. Yeah, we use it to make soap, a lot of things, but we don't normally. I can't remember a meal that we use palm kernel oil to prepare in Nigeria. But the one we use is red palm oil. This one, made from this one. Palm kernel oil is the overprocessed one, the one that is not healthy for you, but red palm oil is good for you. Don't listen to them. See? Palm fruits. Okay,
I don't want to one and half. I just remove because I'm not more.
Eat the board. You went there, man. Okay. I'm saying, sir, not just in a walk every day. He just woke up without telling me. I'm going down and saying, oh, you know, I'm more kind of I charge and I won't to go. Mama, get my don't know that. I didn't go out with the map of that ball. This is what they do in the villages instead of pressing their phones. There's always something to do in the village. Mad. And then there are these ones. In Etiako. Maybe. You see these ones that are not ripe. The palm kernel is usually very. This is the best palm kernel to eat. So I'm going to crack them now and eat. Just try. I think mommy ya buffet. Oga Rufus, get here na call. Matian, me go see her case at it. Makeba Bachalode. Odia na to don't na wa. Odia kwa na to more than nke kala. Eh? My children. I'm telling my friends, my online friends. It's not dry. It's not dry. It's breaking up. Oh, it's not dry yet. When it's dry, you see what it looks like? It looks pale, like coconut. Like coconut. Yeah, it looks like coconut now. Small one. Tiny coconut. That's why it's yummy. You eat it with abacha. You see, in the village, anything you need is here. You people should move to the village with me. I am into 3. Chipuzo now. What time ufuzo? Nimozeto. See it? Because I'm going to work in thank you. What's it? When you finished, that's what it looks like. You see how pale and yummy it looks instead of black. It looks pale. Then put it inside the abacha, soaked in water, and then you eat it together. Very yummy. This is a cooling snack. As always, with my Better Life for Rural Women wrapper. Hey, where is the key? In this scorching sun. Hi, it's so hot, yet cool. Yeah, because there's not much noise here. You still feel kind of cool. And then there are trees everywhere. It's quiet. Look at this farm. You see the corn here and the corn there, in there. They were planted at the same time, yet the corn here is doing much better than the corn inside there. That's because people were pouring their refuse here, so this place is more fertile than that place. The difference is so clear. Look at the other one is like barren land and this one is so rich. The difference that compost can make. This beautiful water leaf. Oh my god. Ooh. Coconut tree, coconut. Some people laugh at me when I call it coconut. They say it's coconut. Who should tell you the name of this fruit? Is it not we that own the fruit that will tell you the name? It's coconut, Biko. Okay, this is yam. You see the yam tendrils coming up. They use stakes to hold it up. Make a mound. Let me zoom out. So you make a mound and then you put the yam at the highest point of the mound there, and then it shoots out like that. This is corn and this is cassava. You plant other things, but the side this is cassava. It's still a tiny cassava. Look at the cassava plant over there. This one is fully grown and probably ready to be harvested. And these are still small. This is a small one, newly planted one. Yeah, so that's all they have. For one mound, you have 3 different crops. Yam, corn, cassava. Actually, I've seen a 4th one. This is ogo. So you use one mound to plant so many different things. Habanero pepper. This is the plant. For those who don't know what the plant looks like, it's a small plant. What God? This is cocoyam plant. For those who don't know, this is a special type of cocoyam plant because of the way the leaf is. You see the leaf? This is edeco. I'll show you the leaf of a normal cocoyam plant, normal one that is used to cook bitter leaf soup. But this one is the one that is eating like yam. I've seen that one. This is what a normal cocoyam looks like. You see the difference in the leaf? The leaf of the other one cut all the way down there. But this one is not like that. Look at the leaf of the other one. You see how there's a space down to the stalk. Bitter cola plant. Look at the fruit. It's so ripe. Look at. They're all ripe. So ripe, like oranges. Oh my God. Beautiful. You wouldn't even know that this is the most bitter fruit in the world. I feel like we have more than myself, not like hey. Wow, this is bitter cola. So what time kita kai bopu? Okay, when the chalacha. Hey. Oh, okay, look at them. Look at them. When it's ripe, it falls down on its own. Nenka. Can you make one to eat two phone?
Yeah, that's right. Go, she gonna melt.
Okay, there's the seed. Okahaka like this.
Yes.
So can you explain what you down Akahaka?
How do you turn on chariot too much? Yes.
God, it's too big, eh? God, the cool. Wow. Hey, you see that? So, it always had one nkale. Hey, wow. Have you guys seen? Have you? Hey, oh yeah, Maka safe. I'm no to a corner. Oh, you got a with this part?
Yes.
Hey, side down there, Toto. Toto. Hey, because on the hey, you took a no waffle back. I didn't know to put a hand. Hey, one that shall never end. Never. Turning to bitter cola.
Yes, you peel the back before you chew it.
He's peeling the back. Go see the mimi or Bella.
Look at it.
See? That's bitter cola. Wow.
Bitter cola.
Oh, you have kinu na ada na ono ko na tono. Kine me kwani hu ko ya na anwu o poison ke na atadi hen. I demonstrate how to eat bitter cola.
When you are through with the
peeling.
Yes. Now you now to chew it.
Yes.
You start chewing it like this.
Hey, you are on other non. Oh, to go say I don't know. Yeah.
We are through with the first one. I'm stabilizer.
This boy.
My name is Oku. It's sweet, oh.
It's sweet.
Forget about my face. It's sweet.
This is very medicinal.
Wow.
Oh, well, you're digging out. Okay, to war the whole thing.
Set. Yeah, well, straight too.
Thank you very much for the demonstration.
Thank you.